welcome back to Gym Sesh Top Tips. I'm really excited about this workout. It's going to be just tyres, and I've named this one Spare Tyres. Yeah, this is just, it's a very good combat type fitness exercise. Yeah, I'm not going to hang around too long talking about this, but it is a 21-15-9. There's multiple exercises to do with the tyres. I'll put the exercises up here, and I'll also put the full workout up here as well. I'll also drop it down in the description down below if you want to check it out. At the end as well, if you liked it, obviously give a good thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. More content like this is going to be coming out all the time. Yeah, but as always, just take 10 minutes to get that blood circulating around your body. Some light jogging, some squats, some press ups, because this workout, you do not want to do this workout feeling a little bit cold. You need to be nice and warm before starting to lift this tyre. This tyre is like you know, a heavy goods vehicle type tyre. That one's just a small spare car tyre, but at the end of the day they are heavy, and obviously you need that body nice and warm prior to actually lifting those tyres. Okay, now that's the warm-up done, and I'm ready to get cracking on with the exercise. Yeah, like I said before, I'll put each exercise up there, and if you need the full workout, obviously it's in the description as well. But I'm going to time this one. It's 21-15-9 CrossFit style, Metcon style workout, but I am going to time it. Yeah, I'm not wearing my watch obviously because I've got some wrist straps on, but we'll put that there. workout finished, 21:15.9, just using tyres. It was quite cheeky. Point to note though, when you're videoing any fitness stuff, make sure you choose your location wisely, because I was doing them burpees there and there's the biggest pile of dog shit there, and that's all I could smell throughout that workout. Anyway, if you like the video, please hit the like button. Please press the little bell as well, and you'll get notified when new videos are coming out all the time. Anyone new to the channel as well, please subscribe. I'm bringing out content all the time. But just remember, train safe.